late as the property was protected, so the clock tower now 震荡下。
Would you guys like me to take a photo of you?
Okay. Of course.
Pass me a phone.
Great. Thank you very much.
So this building here to my left, founded by Lady Margaret Beaufort. All of what you see here is all St. John's College. The old court building, new court building, and that white building is the crypt building. You see these big sandstone bricks on the side here. They're very, very expensive bricks. Basically, Lady Margaret Beaufort, who founded this college, wanted to show off how wealthy she was by building the new court out of these huge bricks. Unfortunately, she forgot that she actually didn't have enough money to do that all the way around the building.
Wow.
And she had to downgrade herself to these sort of more regular bricks, which you see on the back wall here. You see the smaller ones?
Wow.
Now, she was so embarrassed by this that she decided to try and cover it all up. And that's the reason for that Virginia creeper ivy, that green ivy you see on the back wall. That's her attempt at covering up those small bricks, showing that she didn't have enough money to finish it. This building here, Crypt Court, very, very popular building among students because it's got very big windows. Means that the rooms are very big as well. They're very spacious. They've got a lot of natural light. And they've got a lot of fresh air going through them. This is the accommodation I was talking about. It's only £4,600 per year. And a normal UK university is like 8,000. So this is very cheap. But it's a much nicer room. Now, these buildings not very, popular with everybody. Very famously, King Charles, who went to Trinity College actually, he came and opened this building. So he cut the red ribbon, and then what he did was he turned around to his mate who was just sat next to him, and he said, "This is the ugliest building I've ever seen in my life. It looks like a multi-story car park." And he completely forgot that his microphone was still on. So everyone at the opening, they heard him say this, and to sort of follow through, he basically tried to tear down this building when he got into power.
Wow.
But he wasn't allowed to because it's a grade 2 listed building, which means it's protected by law. And it's also won multiple architectural awards, being the first building to have been built using a computer. Happened in 1967.
Wow, that building?
That building there,
1967?
1967, yeah.
Wow,
1967.
Now,
to explain that a little bit, so you think it's a little bit weird that he wanted to tear down that building. As if you remember, I mentioned earlier, St. John's and Trinity, they've got the biggest rivalry in Cambridge. And some people think that because King Charles went to Trinity College, he wanted to have a little dig at St. John's by trying to tear down one of their best buildings. So yeah.
To show his power?
To show his power, exactly.
It's quite beautiful actually.
Yeah. I think it's nice. So, the last story that I will tell you guys today is about Magdalen College. So Magdalen College, it's good I've got a very long time to tell this story because Magdalen College goes right the way down to where we get off at the beginning of the tour as well. So it's about 300 metres long, this stretch at the back of Magdalen College sort of positioned on. Magdalen College, founded in 1542 by a man named Thomas Audley. He wanted to name the college Audley College, being very humble, you know, but he wasn't allowed to. There was a rule which said you could only name a college after a religious figure, so someone from the Bible, or after royalty. That was Henry VIII's way of trying to get people to name colleges Henry VIII College. So what he did was, Thomas Audley chose Mary Magdalene, a religious figure from the Bible, and demanded though that instead of it being pronounced Magdalene, it was pronounced Magdalene, so that it would sound like his surname Audley, and that's how he sort of wanted to keep his legacy in the college. Now, it worked because we talk about it every day. Talk about his name lots. But Magdalen College doesn't have the best reputation. So Magdalen was the last college to admit women in all the colleges in Cambridge. It happened as late as 1988. So quite recently. And when they admitted women, the men of the college, they were really outraged. They thought it was a men's only college, men only college. And they put on black armbands. They filled the coffin with all of their books. They flew the flag at half-mast, which is what you do when somebody dies. And then they staged a pretend funeral for education. Yeah. It gets a little bit worse. So the next day, they then took that coffin. They marched all around Cambridge, chanting "Education is dead." And then they came back, having sent a very clear message. They really didn't want women in their college. They got a very clear message in return, however, with the grade average of the college in just 1 year, so in 1989, it increased by 7%.
7%.
7 whole percent, which is a lot in just 1 year.
Nice try.
Yeah, nice try, exactly. Women are smarter than men.
So nowadays, it's 50-50 or?
Now, yeah, so most of the colleges are 50-50 women, men. There's one college that's women only, Newnham College.
Newton.
Newnham.
Newnham.
Newnham, yeah.
Sorry guys.